Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Python to automatically delete screenshots that haven't been opened in the last 6 months. Plus, I'll also show you how to set it up so the script runs automatically every 6 months so you don't have to worry about doing it manually. Step 1, importing the required modules. First, we need to import two modules, OS and time. These will help us interact with the file system, checking when files were last accessed and deleting them if they haven't been used in a while. Step 2, defining the time limit for 6 months. Next, we define the time limit. 6 months is roughly 15,724,800 seconds. So we'll use that to compare the last access time of each screenshot. Step 3, getting the list of screenshots. Now we need to get a list of all the screenshots in the folder. Let's assume your screenshots are saved in a folder called screenshots. You can modify the path to match your setup. Step 4, checking the last access time of each screenshot. For each file in the folder, we'll check the last time it was accessed using the OS_path_getAtime function. We'll compare that time to the current time and see if it's older than 6 months. Step 5, running the script. Once the script is ready, save it as delete old screenshots and run it in your terminal or command prompt. This will automatically delete all screenshots that haven't been opened in the past 6 months. Step 6, automating the script to run every 6 months for macOS or Linux users. Now let's set it up using cron jobs on macOS. Open your terminal and type cron-tab-E to edit your cron jobs. Add the following cron expression to run the script every 6 months. Zizzer1 asterisk 6 asterisk Python 3 path delete old screenshots by. Save and exit. Now your script will automatically delete old screenshots every 6 months. And that's it. You've created a Python script that will automatically delete unopened screenshots, and you've learned how to schedule it to run every 6 months using a cron job. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python productivity hacks. You can find the full script in the description below, and later it will be added to a public Notion database where you can find all of our scripts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python productivity hacks.